Here we go. So today we're going to be installing an AEM drop-in filter for the 2012 Sequoia. I believe this will work for 2008 to 2019. For fitment and all that stuff, it's best that you go to AEM.com or their website and check the fitment there. Okay, so this is going to be super simple. It'll be quick. All you need is your keys to the car and your hands. That's all you're going to need. All right. Also, a refreshment. Let's go on. All right. Here we go. That's good stuff. So why did I go with AEM and why a drop-in filter? Well, it's the most affordable solution other than going with a straight OEM replacement. That's going to be your cheapest bet, and those work fine. I don't see a problem with them. I just wanted to get a little bit more sound and see if I can improve miles per gallon just a little bit, just a test really. This came out around $70 through Amazon. Straightforward, super easy, simple install. You'll see later. Why AEM versus competitors? Well, this is a dry filter, and the mass airflow sensor doesn't get as dirty as it does with oiled filters. And we're going to test that theory throughout the months, years, hopefully that this thing keeps working on our vehicle. But yeah, those are the main reasons: affordability and the fact that it's a dry filter. Okay, so what do we get in the box? Stickers and the filter. Car, unlock it. I'm gonna go around, open driver's side door, hood latch, pop, lift the hood up, and here we are. So here's where we're going to be working. Stock air box with the filter inside. I'm going to be taking the filter out, replacing it with this one. All you need to do is pop these open. There's 4 of them. There's one more right here, another one on the back side here, right there, and then one between the engine and the airbox right there. Pop that up. It should pop up fairly easy. Sometimes the filter gets stuck to the box, so just pull it up. This one out. For size comparison, always want to make sure you're getting the right part. And I think we're gonna go. So this one has a lip here, lip side up, I believe. So it's just gonna drop in, okay? I'll try that. It's kind of difficult to do with one hand, but there we go. Hold it with this one. How does that work? Yep. So lip side up. Perfect. Snug in there. Push that air box down. Make sure it's secure. And you're just gonna put the clips back on. There's one. Remember, there's 4, okay? That is it. That is all. Reward yourself. It's hot. All right, so I just finished installing the AEM drop-in filter. We are gonna start up the truck, see how it sounds, and then we're gonna let it warm up, and then I'll give you a couple of revs, see how it sounds. All seems good over here. Let's take a look under the engine. Okay, so we're inside the truck right after installing the AEM drop-in filter, and to me that temperature looks good enough to give it a few revs, nothing crazy. Just want to see if anything changed with the sound. Here we go. Oh, to me it does. That sounds pretty good. To me it got a little bit louder. I can hear the induction a little bit more. I mean, it's not going to be significant, I know, because I don't have a true cold air intake with a pipe and, you know, a different cone shaped filter. And another reason why I went with the drop-in is to keep the factory box, you know, keep that heat away from the filter as much as possible, to keep the intake temps low. You know, better fuel economy, better performance, period. We'll see if I'm right. But so far so good. I'm gonna take it on the freeway later and give it some rips. You probably won't be around to see that, but yeah, I'm happy with that install so far. And that was cheap. That was, you know, less than $100 modification, and it's a lifetime product. You just clean it and keep running it, you know. So I think it's a good investment. All right, so if you enjoyed that, please like, subscribe. I'm gonna keep uploading content, and leave me a comment. You know, you have any questions or comments. I know some of you are going to comment about how dirty my engine is. I just bought it. It's on my to-do list. And again, I'm going to be doing a lot of things to the 2012 Sequoia. So, yeah, leave me a comment. Catch you on the next one. What's up? Welcome to... Hey, what's up, everybody? Aloha.